episode of Beyond Beauty by CJ Jimenez. Thank you po sa lahat na nagsusubscribe, and because of that, we will start sharing with you our techniques, the tools, and the trainings that I normally do when I have the basic makeup and the advanced makeup workshop for my clients. No? And today, what we'll be having is the basic makeup workshop. Please subscribe, like, and follow our channel because there will be a lot in store for you. Ayan, so mag-start na tayo. So if you're doing this on your own, no, so I will tell you yung mga gagamitin mo. If you are an amateur or you want to be a professional makeup artist, so yung pinaka-start, syempre tatanungin natin kung nakapag-cleanse na yung face ng ating client. So if you're going to be a makeup artist, make sure that you're wearing the proper face shield and also mask. Though right now, I'm not wearing a mask kasi isang household lang naman kami ng model ko. And medyo mahirap mag-explain, ano ba, hindi niyo ako maintindihan. But I'm wearing a face shield. But if you're going to be a professional makeup artist and you're gonna do it for your client, we highly really suggest that aside from the face shield, you're going to wear your mask. It's for the protection of your client and also protection for yourself. Ano? So my model right now is my pamangkin and very beautiful. Ayan. So isang household lang kami. So hindi naman kami magkakahawahan. Wala naman. Okay. So, for the basic cleansing, toning, and moisturizing, syempre, normally, I normally ask my client na facial wash lang yung gamitin niya, yung normal na ginagamit niya. Tapos, ako na bahala dun sa the rest. Kasi yung basic, yung cleansing, normally yan, syempre, pag naliligo siya, di ba? So, sinasabi natin na kahit naman din kasi halimbawa, first time mo mamimit yung client mo, kahit mali yung mga ginagamit yung product, gamitan mo siya ng tama ngayon, hindi naman agad-agad yung effect. Remember, pagka nag-skincare ka, hindi siya instant na ngayon gumamit ka ng mamahaling product or ng tamang product. Gandang-ganda ka na agad. It will also take days. So ako normally, yung mga client ko, luckily, talagang binubook nila kami few months or few weeks or even a year before, talagang sinasabihan na namin or ina-advise ko na ng mga beauty regimen na kailangan niya for the preparation. But just in case, no, pagka ganito sa client, ang facial cleanser namin, ako ay recommend kasi ito product ko talaga. So, Skin Natural, the aloe vera, isang pump lang po yun. Napakalapot na niya for the face and the neck. So, kapag ako, yung facial product ko, I use it on the face and also on the neck para pantay. Meron, karaniwan na makikita niyo ang puting ng mukha tas ang itim ng leeg. O kaya baliktad. So, mas maganda po yan. Isa lang. So, kapag dating ng client, no, make sure that your hands are clean, no? Yung iba po nag-gloves pa. Pero yung iba naka-PPE pa. That is okay po. Ako naman kasi, you're protecting yourself for that. Kaya lang sa akin, mas kapag hindi ko pa yun na-dispose ng maigi or hindi ko siya na-wash, parang sa akin mas hindi okay. So ako I prefer pa na open yung dito ko para lagi ko siyang nawawash. So kapag nasa client ako or meron akong gig or event, talagang every client nagwawash talaga ako. Not only my hand but also up to the arms. Kaya normally naka short sleeve ako or yung polo para talagang mas malinis siya. So for the application of the toner, so yung toner namin, yung Skin Natural din. I also have the Zoe Life Hair products. But ito ginagamit ko sa mga client ko. If they have their own toner, kasi talagang may iba din naman ng mga client na talagang maalam din, talagang nagtitake care of their skin at talaga po may mga products sila, then let them use it. But in case, toner, easy lang po. Meron po mga cotton pads na ganito, nabibili. Meron din pong ganito. So, yung bilog naman siya. And meron din po yung usual na cotton. So, make sure lang na you keep them clean. Tapos, konting patak lang po yung toner. So, ang toner is liquid po siya. Yung facial wash normally is parang soap, liquid soap type. Ito naman talagang liquid. And then, you just clean your client's face. So what I like about our product, the Skin Natural, is yung scent niya. It's aloe cucumber. And then for the neck, huwag niyo pong kalimutan, maganda po pataas. Yan. And kahit po sa skin, sa face, maganda po pataas din yung stroke natin. Huwag po masyado madiin. Yan. Kaya po pataas is para daw po hindi magsag yung face natin. Yan. The next for the moisturizing part. So, find the moisturizer that fits depending on your skin type, ano. And then, what you normally do is kung ikaw yung mag-a-apply, is just dip ng konti, and as in pea-size lang, and then you spread it all over your face, ano, especially dun sa mga dry na part. For makeup artists, ano, what I normally do is that, lalo na ngayong pandemic, I have a palette, and then pang scoop or spatula, and then my brush. So what I normally use is, eto sa akin, itong isang moisturizer namin that is from Skin Natural by CJ Jimenez. It's a sunblock and moisturizer in one, ano? So dual purpose na siya. And we also have the serum. So for the daytime, ito yung ginagamit ko. For the nighttime is the serum. Especially for my clients, kasi ito I tested that really blends well in makeup. With makeup, no? So, what I normally do is kapag kayong serum, pinapatak ko lang na ganyan. Ganyan lang po ka-konti. Good for the whole face na. And then I use this to brush it or apply it evenly on face. Or kaya po, pagka ganito, ini-scoop ko siya. Ganyan lang po, and then, that's it. But, especially din kapag ka medyo dry talaga yung skin, or kaya yung mga mummies na, what I use is this. Make sure that your hands are always just wash, ano. Then, what I do, yung oil naman po ito sa face. Yung oil is that parang medyo, kapag ka ang gusto is yung dewy and glowy finish, is that I rub it like this, and then I put ganyan. And then with kasamang massage. Para talagang yung client mo, from the neck, feeling nila nasa CJ Jimenez Beauty Lounge sila. So, and then, ingatan nyo lang po. So, normally I do this with a mirror in front of me. Ngayon po, it's camera. And then, just that. Para, umpisa pa lang, yung client mo feeling very, very special na. And then, I really pagkata ko na. Magkakaroon po tayo ng series na isa pa about sa mga facial. So, po kayo mag-alala. So, it's all about, our goal is also to make you an expert in this industry. So, ayan. So, sa pag-moisturize ng lips, you have to have your lip brush. You can also use Q-tip, ano, so that after you use it on the client's mouth, pwede mo na siyang itapon. Meron din yung mga disposable na lip brush, ano. For me, I have a lot of brushes naman, and during the makeup gigs naman, normally I only do 1 to 3 clients, no, and then my brush sets are enough to cover them. So, ito, so sa palette, lagyan ko lang, dip ko lang siya, and then, kapag medyo dry, kagaya nito, sabihin mo lang E. Para talagang lahat. I'll also talk about how to take yung cleaning ng brushes, no, later, because very important yan if you will be a makeup artist. I don't reuse it, and make sure that I sanitize them really good, really good. So, ayan. So, na-moisturize na natin. If it's a serum that you're going to use, no? So, as mentioned, i-demo ko naman yung ating paglalagay using a flat brush and then with the palette para hindi po kung saan nakalagay. Itong palette na to, I sprayed it also. I sanitize it to make sure that it's clean. I wash it after use and then sanitize it pa with the alcohol. And then, this is the serum. Normally, pa-up lang din. I really like this serum sa under eyes kasi medyo nakakatulong talaga siya. Again, skincare, mas okay kung ginagamit ito ng mga clients mo before pa ng pinaka-event. So, what I tell my clients talaga is to use one, buy one, or kahit anong klase or kung ano yung bet niya. Pag kinuha niya yung product ko, I get a free discount. So, we only carry the products na talagang ginagamit namin sa aming mga clients. So, that is it. Then, don't forget the neck. Sa akin, pag nag-makeup ako, mas matagal yung skincare dun sa actual na makeup. Ayan. Good. So, ganun lang din. If you're going to apply another moisturizer, just use it with a flat brush. And that's it for our basic skincare. And now, our client is ready for the next step.